Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add keyframe on Kinemaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project on my Kinemaster application on my mobile phone, and first of all I'm going to add an object to this project guys. For example, I'm going to add sticker and I'm going to animate this sticker using keyframe. I'm going to go to the layer and then I'm going to select sticker, and for the sticker I'm just going to choose this for example this emoji. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how we can use keyframe to animate this emoji. So this is the keyframe. Oops, sorry. This is how the keyframe icon looks like on Kinemaster, and we're going to use this keyframe to animate the sticker. For example, I'm going to create like a bounce animation. We can click on the keyframe like this, and then you can move it to add movement. This guys, the keyframe will be added automatically to the object. Okay, now it's done and I'm going to play it to show you the final result. Wait, I'm going to play the video. Okay, this is the final result guys. And okay guys, that's all the way to add keyframe on Kinemaster. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.